102 million Americans say they need life insurance or need more coverage. That's a record high. Yet every year, families lose thousands of dollars because of simple mistakes that could have been avoided. Today, we're breaking down the 10 life insurance mistakes that cost families the most money, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Let's start with the biggest one: not buying enough coverage. Here's a reality check. Financial experts recommend having 10 to 12 times your annual income in life insurance. But most people have nowhere close to that. If you earn $75,000 a year, you should have at least $750,000 in coverage. Yet the average American is underinsured by $400,000 or more. That gap can mean the difference between your family keeping their home or losing it. Mistake number 2 is waiting too long to buy. This one quietly drains money from your wallet every single year you delay. Life insurance premiums increase 8 to 10% for every year of age after 30. At age 25, you might pay $31 a month. Wait until 65, and that same coverage costs $593 a month. Between ages 60 and 65 alone, premiums jump 86%. Every birthday that passes is literally costing you money. The third mistake is only relying on employer coverage. 27% of adults have life insurance only through their job, and 57% of workers mistakenly believe that's enough. It's not. Employer policies typically cover just 1 to 2 times your annual salary. That's maybe 1 or 2 years of income for your family when they might need a decade or more of support. Plus, if you leave that job, your coverage disappears. You need your own policy. Here's mistake number 4, and it's a costly one: choosing the wrong policy type. Whole life insurance costs 5 to 15 times more than term life for the exact same death benefit. We're talking the difference between $30 a month and $400 a month. For most families, a 20 or 30-year term policy makes the most sense. You get the coverage you need during the years your family depends on your income, without paying for expensive features you don't need. Mistake 5 is something almost no one thinks about: not naming a contingent beneficiary. If your primary beneficiary passes away before you do, and you haven't named a backup, that death benefit goes to your estate and through probate. That means legal fees, court delays, and your family waiting months or even years to receive money they need now. It takes 5 minutes to add a contingent beneficiary. Do it today. Number 6 can void your entire policy: lying on your application. 10 to 20% of life insurance claims face initial rejection or delay, and misrepresentation is a major reason. Remember Whitney Houston? After her death, the insurance company sought to rescind her $1.6 million policy because of alleged misrepresentation about drug use. Even if you think a health condition is minor, disclose it. An honest application with slightly higher premiums beats a denied claim when your family needs it most. Mistake 7 is letting your policy lapse. The overall lapse rate hit 7% in 2024. And here's a shocking statistic: 85% of term life policies never pay out a death benefit, primarily because people let them lapse before they die. If you're facing financial hardship, look into grace periods, reduced paid-up options, or policy loans before you cancel. Number 8 is failing to review your coverage regularly. Marriage, divorce, new babies, a bigger mortgage, a major promotion. All of these change how much coverage you need. Review your policy at least once a year and after every major life event. Mistake 9 is ignoring valuable riders and options. Many policies include free accelerated death benefit riders that let you access a portion of your death benefit if you're diagnosed with a terminal illness. Waiver of premium riders pay your premiums if you become disabled. These cost little or nothing extra but provide tremendous value. And finally, mistake 10. Not comparing quotes. The same coverage can vary by 50% or more between companies. One insurer might charge you $62 a month while another charges $34 for identical coverage. Always get at least 3 quotes before you buy. Here's the bottom line: 3/4 of Americans overestimate how much life insurance costs. It's probably more affordable than you think, and the cost of getting it wrong falls entirely on the people you love most. If this video helped you understand life insurance better, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your family is counting on you to get this right.